Hi, my seat's in the middle. Hey, you won't believe my luck. I'm sitting next to not one, but two fat people. I'm not even talking like fat, I'm talking like fat. Yeah, at least I'll be warm, right?
Please don't talk about us like that.
Excuse me, please don't listen on my conversation.
I'm sorry, is there a problem here?
Yeah, no, she's like listening in on our conversation, like rude.
Can you please remove this passenger to another seat? She's being verbally abusive.
Hey, I gotta call you back. Excuse. Look, I can't even move my arms. It is not my fault that they're huge.
Ma'am, if you just asked, we could have moved you to
Yeah,
another
I would
seat.
love to be moved. Thank you. I eat salad. What is this? Where are you taking me?
You're going to need to find another flight to take you to your destination, okay?
You're removing me because they're fat and they're literally in my space and made me uncomfortable?
No, we're kicking you off because you're disgusting.
I don't know how I'm going to do this the next 4 hours.
It happened just before takeoff on a United Airlines flight from Las Vegas to Newark, New Jersey.
I'm stuck, but at least they'll keep you warm. Okay?
It didn't end there.
I can't breathe, and it's so squished.
Rogers flagged down a flight attendant.
Excuse me. Can you find her another seat? Because I will not be verbally abused by this or anybody else.
I can't sit here because this boat's so big. I'm left and right. I can't even sit here.
The flight attendant offered the fat shamer a new seat.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Because I can't sit like this.
As the woman gets up, she delivers one more insult.
I eat salad.